In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Calendly scheduling link. Whether you're coordinating meetings, streamlining your calendar, or simply trying to make scheduling easier for everyone, Calendly is a fantastic tool to simplify the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate your personalized scheduling link and share it with others in a few quick steps. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. Once the page has loaded, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the sign-in page where you can access your account. Now it's time to enter your login credentials. You have a few options here. If you've set up an account using your email, simply type in your email address and password in the designated fields. Alternatively, if you've linked your Calendly account to your Google or Microsoft account, you can click on the corresponding button to log in. For this tutorial, we'll proceed by selecting the Microsoft Login option. So go ahead and click on that to log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main homepage of Calendly. This is your central hub, where you can manage your events, scheduling preferences, and of course, access your scheduling link. On the homepage, locate the direct link to your scheduling page. It should be displayed prominently, usually near the top of the page. Next to your scheduling link, you'll notice a Share button. Click on that, and you'll see various options for sharing your link. To quickly copy the link to your clipboard, select the Copy Link option. This ensures that you have the link ready to paste wherever you need it. Copying the link is a convenient way to share it through email, text messages, or even embed it in your professional email signature. It saves you time and ensures you're sharing the correct link every time. With the link now copied, the final step is to share it through your preferred method. You can paste it into an email to send to clients or colleagues, include it in a text message, or even add it to your email signature for ongoing use. This gives your recipients an easy way to access your calendar and schedule a time that works for both of you. And that's it! You've now learned how to share your Calendly scheduling link quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you'll make scheduling hassle-free for everyone involved. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.